You know, Grandma's kitchen always seemed to have an old recipe book tucked away somewhere. The pages were stained, the recipes were well loved, and they were made over and over again. Today's creamy beef skillet is one of those timeless favorites. So let's get cooking. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is grab up a couple of cups of egg noodles and throw them into a pot of boiling water and cook these up until they're al dente and give them a strain. Next up, a pound of medium ground beef into a pan over medium-high heat. I'm using the stuff in the tube here because it's a little bit cheaper, but anyway, we'll break this up and stir and fry until it's basically no longer pink and cook through. Now I got a fair amount of fat off this, so I went ahead and gave it a drain. Okie dokie, once that ground beef is all cooked up, move it to one side, and then we go with a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic. And we'll stir and fry this until it is fragrant and that wonderful smell fills the kitchen. Then we'll mix everything back together again. Oh man, this is smelling good, guys. After that, the next thing old Grandma did is take a can of plain old tomato soup and put that in. Follow that up with another can of cream of mushroom soup. You know, I just love these old family cookbooks. As a matter of fact, I'm in the process of making a cookbook myself. Maybe drop me a line and let me know if you'd be interested. At any rate, we'll follow things up with a cup of good old milk. Give it a good stir around, and now you can see where that creaminess comes in. I know this seems like a lot of canned soup, but you know, they were staples when I was growing up. So we'll season things up with about a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I tend to go heavy on the pepper. I just love pepper. Of course, we're not adding salt because we got tons of sodium with the soup. Then a teaspoon and a half of my all-time favorite, some Italian seasoning. This has just about everything in it and I just love it. A tablespoon of Worcester sauce, and that adds that real depth of flavor. Once again, grab up the good old spoon and a stirring we will go. And just look at this come together. At this point in time, you probably guessed it, guys. We're going to add in those noodles that have been sitting ever so patiently. Give those another stir into the mix until they are completely coated with that sauce. And this is looking and smelling ever so good. I mean, just look at this. It's simple, it's easy, it's relatively inexpensive. Who couldn't resist it? Anyway, let's get this onto a plate. And you know what? This is really the type of meal that you can serve anywhere, anytime. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put some powdered Parmesan over the top just to kind of zip things up. Of course, we got to garnish things up with some chopped parsley. Grandma always did this to make it look super delicious. And there you have it, guys. Our creamy ground beef skillet straight from Grandma's kitchen in the family recipe book. Simple, easy, inexpensive, and you are going to love it. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you Sunday in our next humdinger video.